Today's review is not one, not two, but three awesome RC cars. And to put these bad boys to the test, they're facing off in the ultimate RC Showdown. We review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Let's meet today's contestants. Our first car in today's Ultimate RC Showdown is the MESIXI X-04. At just 1/10 the size of its real-life equivalent, this furious off-roader comes equipped with rugged four-wheel drive, a powerful 1600 mAh rechargeable battery, and a top speed of 30 miles per hour. 4 metal shock absorbers, a steel chassis, and an IP4X water resistance rating means it can handle almost anything you throw at it, including our next contestant. Our second contestant is the MESIXI HS18422. Despite having a slightly smaller battery, this RC's brushless motor packs a punch with a claimed top speed of 37 miles per hour. This 1/18 scale truck rips it up with four-wheel drive, and the oil-filled metal shocks and heavy-duty wheels, along with the independent dampening suspension system, keep it locked on almost any surface. It has a runtime of around 30 minutes. And finally, our last competitor is the RLAARLO, an off-road monster at 1/14 scale. It's got a reinforced aluminum shell that protects the 1800 mAh batteries and a powerful 550 brushless motor. This thing is a beast, apparently topping out at around 40 miles per hour. And while it won't be part of the showdown, the best part of the RLAARLO is that every component is replaceable, upgradable, or customizable. We're here at the Hobby Action RC Raceway in Chandler, Arizona, and this is the track where our 3 RC cars will face off in the Ultimate Showdown. So, with all the cars introduced, let's meet our driver. Oh, it's Matt. All right, Matt, any predictions on who can clock the fastest lap? The rules are simple. Matt will attempt one hot lap on this treacherous course with each car, and the fastest lap time will claim victory. Gentlemen, start your engines. With a blistering race time of 1:14, the MESIXI X-04 was just way too good. Here we can see it again on the action replay. All gas, no brakes. The MESIXI X-04 cruising over the finish line to claim victory. And there you have it. The winner of the Ultimate RC Car Showdown is none other than the MESIXI X-04. Coming in second place was the MESIXI HS18422. And bringing up third was the RLAARLO. It did not finish. To celebrate this pole position victory, we're giving away not one, but both of the surviving 2 RC cars. To be in the drawing to win one of these 2 awesome RC cars, the rules, as they always are, are very simple. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the secret hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select 2 subscribers at random and announce the winners exactly a week from now. Good luck. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.